How to remove people from favorites on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. The phone app provides features like a keypad for manual number entry, a favorites list for quick access to frequently called contacts, and a recents list for reviewing recent calls. This is your iPhone contacts page. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Favorites. You can view all your favorite contacts over here. If you want to remove a contact from here, then swipe left on that contact and tap on Delete. Alternatively, tap on Edit at the top left corner. As you can see, there is red minus sign beside all the contacts. Tap on the minus sign beside the contact you want to delete and then tap on Delete. Following these steps, you can easily remove people from favorites on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.